Hi guys, it's Schalathia Nikole and I'm here to give you guys a quick tutorial on how I tint my eyebrows. I call it faux microblading because that's how it would look after I'm finished. First, I'm going to clean up my eyebrows and get them together first, and then I'll go into the whole thing. So what you see after this would basically be me doing a voiceover, giving instructions on how to introduce you to everything I'll be using today. I'll be using a eyebrow shaver, what you get from the beauty supply store. It's like $1. I'll be first applying the Nair. It's like a moisturizer that came in a kit that I received. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just a moisturizer. And for the eyebrow tint, you use this at your own discretion. It is not an eyebrow tint. Is what I've been using for a while, and it says it's a natural permanent hair color with no ammonia. So we're gonna introduce you to my little friend Bigen, and this is in the color dark brown. So it comes in a little thing like this. It comes with a little plastic bowl where you measure how much you're going to use, and the little powder dye. It's kind of like a henna. Comes with instructions, of course, and gloves. And also I'll be using these 3 things: a spoolie, mascara one, it's disposable, like a eyeliner disposable, and lip applicator disposable. Yeah, and that's it. So what you see after this will be basically a voiceover. I'll show you guys how I actually get this look done, and I will take a before and after picture so you can see the difference. And normally when I do this, it lasts for at least 2 to 3 weeks. So just around, I don't want to say just around the same time as microblading before you get it redone, but I know that it's painless. I don't do pain. I don't even do like tattoos. So yeah, so here's the tutorial, and thank you for watching. So as you guys can see, that is turning the color of my eyebrows. Most of the time I don't go so heavy here, but I decided to because I normally fade it out when I do my makeup anyway. So I'm about to get ready to wash this off because I don't want it too dark. So I'm just gonna start here and then work my way out. I'm just gonna grab a wipe first, and then I'll go back in and wash it with like a facial cleanser. I don't want it extra dark. And the color that I'm using is the Bigen 57 dark brown. Normally the black comes out a lot darker than this. I mean, this is okay for what I'm used to seeing, but I mean, one thing I decided to do is take my spoolie, my mascara wand, and just dip it in the hair dye and kind of brush through my eyebrows with it. Oops, sorry. Cause I still like the faded look, even though I'm gonna add a little makeup over my eyebrows. So right now, my eyebrows are turning exactly the way I want them to look. I'm about to wash this off. I'm just using a regular little wipe. And it's tinted. Alright, it looks good. And after it dries, it gets a little darker, like a tad bit darker, but it's not too bad. Let me wash this off with some of my simple micellar facial gel. Hopefully it don't take off my eyebrows, but we shall see. I'll let that dry. And I only do this simply because I don't like looking barefaced when I really don't have on makeup. I like to at least look like I have something on, like something. So I just like randomly decided that I'm just gonna, cause this is annoying me, like this little faded part, I really hate that. So I'm gonna add some more hair dye there and see what happens. For the most part, I really love how the front of my eyebrow look in the end. But you know, like when you go working out or just going out to take your kids to school, you don't want to look like you have absolutely nothing on. Like you want to at least look like, oh, you woke up like this or something, like, you know. So let me go add some. That's better. A lot better. So you guys, I'm back and I'm about to wash this off. Hopefully it got a little bit darker. Let's see. Whoa. That's a lot better, but it still has a little fade line, but I'll add makeup to that. It's nothing that makeup can't do. This one is a little better. But next time I'll definitely get the black. For the most part, I'm happy with the results. I mean, it's kind of like microblading, but without the pain. And sometimes you never know what you're gonna get when doing this. So, this is how I normally tint my eyebrows. I've never had any problems. Of course, it says in the directions, do not put this near your eyes or your face or anything. So use this at your own discretion. Don't say Shay told you to use it, because I didn't. I purchased this with my own money. I'm a grown person and I do what I want to do when I want to do it. So yes, use it at your own discretion. So if you would like to try it, if you have sensitive skin, I don't suggest it. If you have any irritation to your skin, I wouldn't suggest it. My skin is basically combination skin. I don't really have a lot of acne or anything. Every now and then I get a pimple. Just like here, I had got a pimple and I popped it and it kind of left a mark, but for the most part, I don't have any skin problems. So use it at your own discretion, or find you a good natural henna that you can use on your eyebrows, or they actually have beard dye for men at the store, Walmart or Target, and you can use that on your face. I know that for sure. But you use it at your own discretion. This is what has always worked for me and I love it, so